And good morning Facebook, how are we this morning? From a bright and sunny Somerset, we'll look at the blue sky, not the cloudy sky. Oh God, it's been raining here, look at that. Oh dear, well yeah, those of you who know where I am, Prem obviously. Just had a lovely Prem breakfast this morning, consisting of fruit juice, Earl Grey tea, and a lovely fruit salad with some Greek yogurt, sugar-free diet Greek yogurt. So I'm feeling fit and raring to go today. James is out somewhere on them hills, I think, behind me there. So if you're watching this, James, good morning. Hope you're having fun on your bike. And yeah, we're over at Tech Topics this morning for the e-promming course. Really excited about this. I've not been down to Tech Topics for a few weeks. I think the last time we were here was the Up Your Diag live Diag day, which was awesome. And every time I come here, it's like coming home. Morning Martin, morning Darren. Yeah, every time I come here, it's like coming home. It's absolutely awesome, it really is. We're doing e-promming for the next 2 days. I arrived here a day early. Morning Stephen, but we'll say no more about that. So we're going to be doing soldering on board, soldering techniques, desoldering techniques, e-promming, obviously pulling the code off components, modifying it and putting it back. So green, we call them green components, green modules. We're reusing stuff that's not readily available in the market to us. So morning Stephen, how are you mate? G'day. And yeah, so it's going to be a really good 2 days. Obviously I've been doing this for a couple of years now, but I'm really looking forward to having a go with the professionals. Morning Jonathan. Yeah, morning Leon. So it's going to be a good couple of days. I'm going to try and go live a couple of times if I can during each day. Let you give you a little bit of an insight into the geekery that happens down at Tech Topics. Yeah, it's going to be awesome. So without further ado, morning Richard, happy hump day. If it's your birthday today, happy birthday. If it was your birthday yesterday and I missed it, happy birthday. If it's your birthday tomorrow on Thursday, happy birthday. Thanks for watching, you're awesome. Morning John, g'day mate, how are you? It's the shorts day, I've got my shorts on. Thanks for watching, you're awesome.